Hello guys, how are we doing today? We are taking out the Queen Elizabeth, and look at her. Look at how pretty she is. We're going to be taking her for a spin and seeing if we can get some decent kills with her. Hopefully we can survive the entire match, but, well, nothing's ever guaranteed. So we'll see what we can do. I'm hoping that it goes well, but we'll see. Who knows? Yeah, you all need support. Got you. Alright, dude. Calm your shit. Calm your shit. We're in a ship. We're in a boat. A big bloody boat, the Queen Elizabeth. And we're gonna head and we're gonna hopefully kill some stuff. So far, because we're on the base hull, I've done no improvements at all. She doesn't have that many guns. She doesn't have that huge amount of firepower that you so come to love. Decent amount of HP for a decent start of hull, but the armor is a little bit weak for what I'd prefer. And it doesn't matter because I'm going to hit somebody straight away because battleships want to go straight forward and screw everybody else, is what I'm getting from this. And I see a destroyer straight away. That's somewhat terrifying. And I see some cruisers over there too. Well, this is going to go horribly wrong, isn't it? I don't see this ending well for anybody concerned. Yeah, no, that's nowhere near enough. Can't see anything around. Thought there were a load over there, but apparently I was wrong. Humna 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 hum, where have they all gone? I don't know that I've got a spotter and I've wasted it because... Oh, hello. Yeah, they're out of range. I don't think where I'm going is going to help. We've got a really nice group of people here who are doing nothing but insulting everybody. Good teamwork, guys. Good teamwork. Well, you said you were in range, but apparently I was wrong. Why? How have... What? Why are there friendly torps coming towards us? What are you even doing with your life? Thankfully they all missed. Okay. Priority sector.
Returning to ship.
Okay, the anti... Oh god. The anti-aircraft is not bad. Battleship. 2 battleships. And a cruiser. Yeah, no. Oh dear, ow. Thankfully they're not too good at aiming, which is helpful. I don't know if they're going to hit or not. They are! Look at that! Look at that for that aim. I'd love to, but this is the longest 10 minutes of my life and they all seem to be aiming directly at me. Yeah, ow! 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 Ow, some more. Can we not be doing all that damage to me? Thank you. I have a video to make, goddammit. I don't want to be the first one to die. I'm gonna try and get out of here because that's 5 ships firing right at me, and they hurt a lot. Ow, ow, God, where the fuck did you come from? Run away! Run away! Run away! That cruiser's gonna kill me. That cruiser is legit going to be the death of me. Well, that went well. That was the Queen Elizabeth, guys. I did naff all. I wonder if anybody else... That's an aircraft carrier. That's not doing out because that's boarded. We've got a destroyer that's about to die. I think this team is going to absolutely murder us. Yeah, nah, I mean, you're nimble, I'll give you that. I don't think this is going to end well for him. I predict death in his near future. He's doing his best. He's surviving longer than I bloody did. I haven't actually seen him drop any torps, so I have no idea what's going on with that. He's dead. So that's 2 of ours. 3 of ours are gone. Okay, cool. So we got a battleship running into another battleship. That's gonna help. What are we in? The New Mexico? I wonder. Can he reach? I don't think you can. We're down an aircraft carrier as well. Fucking hell, they found the aircraft carrier. Jesus Christ, they are wrecking our faces. You can do that if you so desire. Where the fuck are you shooting to? The fuck was over there? That's not what I was expecting, I'm not gonna lie. We could still win this. I don't expect us to, but we could still win this. Sort of. Maybe in a far off place. Okay, cool. So we won point C. Good for us. Who are you shooting at? Oh, there is a battleship over there. Alright, I'll let him off. I don't think he's going to kill it, but we'll let him off for this. They're going for that ship. They're gonna try and take it out. That looked like a good barrage. Looked like a good shot. Who knows though? He's trying to take out the battleship over there. So he's being ganged up on, which is a good thing for us. We've caught up a little bit. He's dead. Fuck me. Okay, we're now in the lead. We have taken the lead, guys. Somehow we've taken in the lead. Don't ask me how, but we have. I clearly helped because I pointed out where everybody was. Right, that's what I did. I was the spotting boat. and I pointed where everybody was, and then the entire team gave up their position by shooting me. What happened? They're catching B. And they are all on D. I'm going to change ships and see what action we've got going on. So we've got a little cruiser here. He is about dead. Look at the amount of health he does not have. I don't see this ending well for him at all. More importantly, I don't know why he's decided to just stop moving. Well, apparently me looking at a ship is incredibly bad for its health. We've got the New Mexico, the Normandy, not a bad little French battleship. It's just me or the French battleship's like really small. I'm sure they're not. They just look it. I don't actually know where they're all heading. New York doing. We've got a lot of cruisers. Oh, the York? Is that how you say that name? The York? Little tier 7 German cruiser. That has found not one but 2 battleships and hasn't seen them because it's about to get fucked up. What's about to happen there? Those 2 battleships are going to go, oi oi, there's lunch, and they're going to eat him up. See? Here they come. Here comes the barrage. Bang. Bang. Bang again. Oh, you're in trouble. You're in what is known as the deep doo-doo. I don't know whether you can I don't know whether you can torp him, but you're not in the best of points right now. Oh, they're hitting him. They haven't hit the citadel yet, which is nice. I don't know whether he's getting any hits on or not. I don't see it ending well for him though. Especially when he's got another battleship to his left. We've got 4 ships left. We've got 4 ships left, guys. We've got 2 cruisers and 2 battleships. I don't see this ending well, considering that they have utterly mullered us. This is like a bad dream for this poor bloke. Look at him. He's still going. He's like, I'm going to do as much damage as I can. He's not far off from killing him, but I feel like the next barrage, if he doesn't end him soon, he's kind of fucked. Oh, we got him! He got him with a B stick of health left, but he's walking straight into another battleship. Here it goes. Bang. Boom. 1 dead cruiser. So we've got 1 cruiser, 1 battleship left. 1 cruiser, 1 battleship. Little French battleship, look.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
I think the battle's going to end in a lot sooner than that. Good sir. Oh, what's he found? We've got a battleship over there. We've got a battleship, and we've got a battleship. So we've got 2 battleships. Enemies almost at max points. Oh. He's on fire. I believe in your little French ship. Nope. No. Oh dear. The aircraft carrier once again proving to be a complete douche nozzle. You're in trouble. Oh my god, he's on fire. He's about to die. He is 100% about to die. This is not gonna end well for him. And that's a loss. Oh. Right, I'm sorry you didn't get to see much of me doing anything, guys. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you all next time. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.